Okay, welcome. How to flip videos or photos, right, in horizontal or vertical direction in Premiere Pro. This is very easy. Let's get started. You are seeing here a video, right? I've selected certain portion of it. Let's drag the video in timeline, right? Okay, this is the video, right? Okay, now go to effects, right? You can see here this sign, right? Just click it and go to effects here, right? Or alternately you can go to this section, right, and click effects directly. So we are doing it from here and search here transform, transform, right? Go down. So you are seeing here distort transform. This is, don't use this one, right? Here is transform. You are seeing here horizontal flip and vertical flip, right? To flip the video or photo in horizontal, just click it and drag and drop in the clip. Now you can see in the screen it is flipped horizontally, right? And similarly for vertical flip, click it, drag it and drop in the video, then vertical flip, right? Okay, this was it. Thank you very much for watching.